Hello YouTube, we're back for another video. Jesus, this car's crusty. Nice. We're here for another video with the Ninja. We're gonna go just for a little ride. I don't know why I'm off right now, but I'm off right now. It's a beautiful day outside. It was like in the 60s this past week, and it finally like cooled down a little bit, so we're gonna go for a ride. And today we're going to talk about how I pay basically nothing for this bike. This bike was, again, basically, we're going to use that word a lot, basically free. This bike was basically free. Take some back roads. These roads were all kind of redone, so they should be a little smooth. Got the golf course out here. Look at them play golf. Nerds. Nerds. But we're here in my Ninja. Love the bike. Oh, wait. We're getting ahead of ourselves. Guys, if you see anything on this bike that you like, that you want to buy, clutch levers, tail tidy, mirrors, exhaust, whatever you want, click the links in the description. Even the GoPro. This GoPro Hero 9 is currently 45% off on Amazon. And I don't think it's worth another $150 to go up to like the GoPro 11 or 12, whatever just came out. I looked at the specs, basically the same thing. Save 45% by clicking the link in the description. Get yourself a GoPro. Anyway, guys, we're out here, we're riding the bike. And if you watch my previous video on how much this bike costs and how much it costs for me to own and operate, we ran some numbers, right? The bike is about $5,900 brand new. Everyone's financial state's gonna be a little bit different, but that's what the bike is gonna cost. And I basically paid for the bike majority outright. I took a loan for 1 year on the bike, for like $1,000, just so I could have a loan show up on my credit to see if it helped my credit or not. But this bike is free for me. Yes, I paid money for this bike, right? Yes. Oh, they have a WJ, nice. Yes, I handed money over and I made payments for this bike. That is correct. But ever since I started posting this bike more and more on, it's kind of smoky outside. Hi, doggy. Oh god. Ever since I started posting this bike on, it is smoky out here. Jeez, people. Yeah, ever since I started posting this bike on YouTube, and I got monetized on YouTube, and I made a video on how much I was making a long time ago, and no one really watched it. I mean, I have my retention rates really good on YouTube. I put out some videos here and there, but I make off the Ninja videos because I post about Ninja, my BMW, my Jeep, and random stuff. So we're only going to focus on the Ninja videos. So the Ninja videos make me about $150 to $175 per month. Oh god, that's so awkward. I'm pretty sure she's my first love. She waved at me. I think she wants me. I'll never be the same without her. Slow down in this turn because sometimes there's gravel. But anyway, guys, so we're back. So I make about $150 to $175 a month with this bike. Horses! God, I have like autism or ADHD or something because I can't focus. Anyway, so I make about 150 to 175 a month with this bike. And that's money. That is genuine just on the bike videos. 150 to 175. Just call it 150. If I got this bike and I put zero down on this bike, it would be less than that. It would be 16, 32, 64, 80. It'd be about like $85 a month if I took a 0% loan on this bike. I think around there, $85 to $90 a month. With insurance and gas, it would be around the 150, 160 mark. Now that I only have to pay insurance, which is $30 or $25, $20 a month, say 25. Gas is about $15 a month. It's like 40 bucks. This bike's paying for itself. Not only is it paying for itself, it's like once it finishes paying for itself, it's gonna make me money because my older videos still make money, right? My older videos on this bike, the ones that, you know, we go over how much I pay for this bike and my 1-year ownership review and all that stuff. Those videos still make me money, right? So, yeah. As long as, even if I don't post, and I won't be posting during the winter, I'm still gonna have money coming in, and that's, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy, and that's all thanks to you guys. Everyone watching the videos, everyone subscribing, liking, this is all thanks to you that this bike is almost gonna be free. You know, in 10 months, if we didn't get any more views, if we just stayed at the average, it'd be 150 a month. And yeah, I mean, that's 150 bucks a month, 150 bucks a month. In 10 months, that's $1,500. In 12 months, that's like 1,800 bucks. The bike would pay for itself in not even 3 years. But, you know, we have our peaks of and highs and lows and valleys. Let's go left, actually. Let's go left, people. Right? So, and that's all thanks to you guys that this bike is free. So basically, if I had a loan, if I walked into the dealership, took a $0, or I put $0 down on this bike, and just want to walk out with the bike with nothing in my pockets, dry, empty pockets, I would be able to pay for this bike with just my YouTube content. And again, that is all thanks to you guys. Now, the beautiful thing about YouTube is that in the real world, there's gonna be people that are gonna be like, you know, I detail cars and I don't want anyone else detailing cars because I want the business. But the world of YouTube, I think everyone's pretty much very encouraging. Do the same thing. Do what you love. Whatever it is. If you want to post car content, post car content. If you have any questions, people are super ready to answer. Personally, for me, I wanted to get into more automotive content, and oh my god, the YouTube account Shooting Cars, I messaged him with a couple of questions. Whoa, Oak Hill Correctional, it's a jail! There's a jail by me! What? Oak Hill Correctional? What the hell? How's there a jail by me? Oh wait, I've passed by this jail before. Oh, it smells like poop. Yes, oh my god, it smells like a horse. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's an inmate. No, that's an officer. That's an officer. Yeah, those are inmates. Cool! I think the inmates run the farm. It also smells like poop back here. God, my ADHD is just going all over the place. Undiagnosed! But anyway, guys. This bike is basically paying for itself. And that's all thanks to you guys. I'm ecstatic, erotic, excited that this, I've been given this opportunity. In the next video, we're going to discuss something that's big that's coming to the channel. But in the meantime, thanks for all your support, guys. Thanks for everything you guys do. That is a beautiful car. If you like anything you see in this video, links in the description. Click it, buy. I get a little bit of money out of it. It's like 3 cents on every dollar or something. It's like 3 or 4%, honestly. So it's not a lot, but hey, it's something. You know what I mean? I'll take what I can get. Every penny helps to, you know, fund this. Which is, again, I'm very grateful for everything. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. We're gonna go around this loop-de-loop. I don't know where I'm at right now. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I try to respond, and if I don't respond, I respond in a video like 4 minutes later. correctional center. Adopt the highway. But yeah, thank you guys for everything. Oh, that was a horrible mistake. Oh god, I almost died. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I respond pretty quickly. Nice.